everyone, I am Vijayalakshmi. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have taught you what is a sentence and its two parts, subject and predicate. I hope that you have watched the video. If you have not, then watch the video today. In today's video, I will discuss with you the types of a sentence. First, before proceeding towards the types of the sentence, let me recapitulate what a sentence is. मैं repeat कर देती हूँ कि sentence क्या होता है. Sentence is a group of words that convey a meaning. For example, he likes me. There are three words that came in a sequence and clear the meaning. He likes me. अगर मैं बोलूँ me likes he, तो ये सेंटेंस नहीं है. क्लियर? एंड समटाइम अ सिंगल वर्ड कुड बी अ सेंटेंस. कई बार अगर हम सिर्फ एक वर्ब ही हो, जैसे गो, अगर मैं बोलूँ गो, इट मीन्स जाओ, तो आप समझ जाओगे ना. मीनिंग क्लियर है कि मैम मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि जाओ. तो यहाँ पे जो सब्जेक्ट है वो अंडरस्टूड था कि मैम ने मुझे बोला होगा यू गो. क्लियर? सो समटाइम अ वर्ब कुड बी अ सेंटेंस. Clear? So now let's focus on its four types. How many types of a sentence are there? Four types. Number one, declarative. Number two, interrogative. Number three, imperative. And the last one is exclamatory. Let's talk about all these four types in detail. Number one, we'll start from declarative. Okay. As you have two names, आपके भी दो नेम है ना. स्कूल में आपको आयुषी बोलते हैं और घर पे आपको आशु बोलते हैं, एनी बोलते हैं, है ना. तो आपके जैसे दो नेम हैं, वैसे ही डेक्लरेटिव को और क्या बोलते हैं? असर्टिव. इज ऑल्सो नोन एज असर्टिव सेंटेंस. Clear? Why it is used? It is used to make statements, or we can say to provide information. When we make a statement about something or someone, or provide some information about a person, about a thing, about a place, then those kind of sentences are known as declarative as well as assertive sentence. And these sentence always starts with capital letter, begins with capital letter, and at the end full stop is put, और we can say period. इसको period भी बोलते हैं, full stop. Clear? For example, he likes me. This is a sentence. Okay? H capital in the beginning, and at the last I put the sign of full stop. Clear, students? Okay. Now these sentences are also of two kinds. अब जो डेक्लरेटिव सेंटेंस होते हैं वो टू काइंड्स के होते हैं. कौन कौन से? अफर्मेटिव एंड नेगेटिव. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. अफर्मेटिव मीन्स पॉजिटिव. ही लाइक्स मी. अब इसका नेगेटिव क्या होगा? ही डज नॉट लाइक मी. क्लियर? सो दिस इज नॉन एज नेगेटिव. Clear, students? Yes. Declarative sentences are also known as assertive sentences. They are used to make statements or to provide information about some things, or we can say any person, any place, anything. Okay? And they always start with the capital letters and ends with the full stop. Clear? So let's proceed towards the second type of the sentence, that is interrogative. You can note down the rules and the definitions at the very moment as well and later too. अभी भी राइट कर सकते हो और बाद में भी. Number 2 is इंट्रोगेटिव. इंट्रोगेट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस, किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछना. सो वेरी सिंपल, these sentences are used to raise or ask questions. Very simple. Okay, these are further of two kinds. Number 1, yes or no questions. Number 2, WH questions. Clear? Yes or no questions means sometime when somebody asks us question, we answer him or her in yes or no. कई बार जब हमसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता है तब हम उसे आंसर किस में देते हैं? yes और no में. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को हम yes और no क्वेश्चंस बोलेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, will you help me? At the last, put the sign of interrogation. Never forget to put the sign of interrogation in any interrogative sentence. It will be grammatically wrong then. Okay? Will you help me? अगर मैं पूछूं कि आप मेरी हेल्प करोगे, आप बोलोगे yes मैम, no मैम, तो आंसर किस में आएगा? yes और no में. That's why we say them yes or no questions, and they starts with the helping verb. Yes or no question starts with helping verb and ends with the question mark. Clear? WH questions. What are you doing? This is the family of question words. What are you doing? What? Where are you going? Where are you going? When will you come? Clear, students? So these are, here I have used WH question words. Clear? That's why they are known as WH questions. Clear? Okay. Now let's proceed towards the third type of the sentence, that is imperative sentence. Third type is imperative. Imperative sentences are used to make orders, commands, permission, or we can say request. If we are giving an order, any command, or making request or giving permission, then we will give the statement in imperative form. Clear? For example, please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. This is a request. Clear? We use first form of the verb here. In these sentences, we use which form of the verb? First form of the verb. Clear, students? Second is shut the door. Wait for me. Okay? Give me your book. Now, here the question arises in your mind. अब आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन उठा होगा कि यहाँ पे मैम ने फुल स्टॉप डाला है and here sign of exclamation. Yes, in imperative sentences we can use full stop as well as sign of exclamation. Okay? Difference क्या है? Shut the door मैंने पीछे साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन डाला, मीन टू से आई एम सेइंग यू फोर्सफुली शट द डोर, मतलब दरवाजा बंद करना जरूरी है क्योंकि बाहर से नॉइस आ रही है. ओके, इफ यू आर मेकिंग ए फोर्सफुल स्टेटमेंट देन वी विल पुट द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क हियर. क्लियर? वेट फॉर मी, वेट फॉर मी. कई बार हम बोलते हैं ना किसी को, जाना मत, मेरी वेट करना. ओके, फोर्सफुली बोल रहे हैं कि मेरी वेट करना. क्लियर? सो वेट फॉर मी, वहां जहां पे हम किसी को फोर्सफुली कोई चीज करने को बोल रहे हैं, देयर वी विल पुट द साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन. क्लियर? सिंपली इफ वी आर सेइंग टू समवन गिव मी योर बुक, ये रिक्वेस्ट भी हो सकती है, ऑर्डर भी हो सकता है. क्लियर? एडवाइस भी हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेक एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली, टेक एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली. ये क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज एन एडवाइस कि डेली आप एक्सरसाइज किया करो, ये एडवाइस है. क्लियर? So imperative sentences are used to give orders, commands, to make requests and to give advice. Clear? Which form of the verb is used here? Give first form, shut first form, wait first form, take first form. Clear? And at the end, either we have to put the sign of full stop or exclamation. It depends how forcefully you are making a statement. Clear? Okay. Now let's proceed towards the last type of the sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. You can also comment in the comment section about the video. Okay? Don't hesitate. Next is exclamatory. These sentences expresses strong, or we can say sudden emotion. This could be the emotion of surprise. कई बार हम किसी चीज को देख के बहुत ज्यादा खुश भी होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा दुखी भी हो जाते हैं, है ना, बहुत ज्यादा गुस्से में भी आ जाते हैं और बहुत ज्यादा सरप्राइज भी हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस एक्सप्रेस स्ट्रॉन्ग और सडन इमोशन and they always ends with the sign of exclamation, ends with sign of exclamation. Clear? For example, what a beautiful painting. You visited an art gallery. आप एक आर्ट गैलरी में गए, वहाँ पे एक अच्छी सी, बहुत ही अच्छी पेंटिंग थी. आप उसको देख के बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज हुए क्योंकि ऐसी पेंटिंग आपने कभी देखी नहीं थी. Then you will show your emotions of surprise. Wow, what a beautiful painting. Clear? So at last you have to put the sign of exclamation. Clear? Next is what a beautiful day. As summer days are going on, so the next day when you wake up, then what you see, that it's cloudy today, the pleasant day is there, so you become so happy. Okay, so here you are showing your emotion of extreme happiness. Wow, what a beautiful day. Clear? So what a beautiful day means you are so happy that the day is so pleasant. Clear? So an exclamatory sentence expresses strong or sudden emotion. The emotion could be of anger, of surprise, of happiness. Clear? And it ends with the sign of exclamation. Clear, students? If you like the video, then press the like button, share the video with your friends, and one thing that is must for you, watch the video till the last. Clear? And if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe it today. Thank you very much. God bless you all.